So, Mark, you're saying that explains why somebody said in their video, if you don't want to discover how to do, please press skip now. Is that a good strategy? Okay, yeah, so some advertisers will say in their video, if you're not interested in making money, skip the button now. So, what they are doing is they are pre qualifying their audience. Because if you continue to view that video, then you are interested in making money or getting fit or whatever that video is all about. But you got 30 seconds, so even if they continue to watch it, I personally don't like that strategy, and you won't find me saying those words in my videos or in my video ads. But each to their own. If you find, you can test it and try it and see what happens. If you find that yes, you are getting a lot of skip ads, then you don't want to say that. But having said that, then only those people who are interested in your product or service will continue to view your ads.